Alright guys, coming at you with another review today. I'm Reaper Reviews, and today's review, Canary Reserve Bourbon Whiskey Oaked. It's comes out of Maryland from a company called G2. I had one of their flavors before, they're really good. I didn't have a drip bottle, so that's what's in this. The Canary Custard. Canary Reserve, it's called. I don't know exactly where to get this. I will do some research for you guys, and then I will put the link in the description below. So, first thing I smell when I open it smells like bourbon. It's bottled. Like it's been aged like 100 proof Evan Williams. So, I'm gonna get into this, and I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts on this flavor. It's a very good flavor, guys. You get that bourbon taste, and then you get that slight hint of custard afterwards. Not very overpowering on the custard. It's a mild custard, so if you guys aren't really custard flavor people, it's not very mild. G2 does come out of Maryland. If I remember right, they're located outside of Baltimore somewhere, but I'm not sure. So, I'm gonna hit this again, see if anything has changed. And the cloud production is great. I'm thinking it doesn't say, but it looks like it's either a 70-30 or a 80-20, 1-2. It's wonderful, guys. Like I said, I'll do research on this flavor, figure out the price and everything, so I can make it for you in the description below. You guys want to order a bottle of it. So, yeah, until next time, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe, like the channel. It's up 11 subscribers already. Thank you for those 11 subscribers who watch the channel. You guys know I like to do 2 uploaded videos, so this is the second upload. There's one currently uploading right now. Once that gets done, you guys go over, check it out, see what you think. Tell me what you want to tell me what you want me to review, and I will get on that. I will throw some menthol flavors in there. You know, I'm not a menthol guy. I can't stand the flavor. It's cool. Fizzy lemonade is not a menthol, that is a colada, so that it just gives it a cool, cooling taste, which is why I'd like definitely, if you guys haven't checked that video out, go check it out. Yeah, this is a very, very good flavor, guys. I got no gripes with it. Got bad blood today too, so that's a very good flavor too, very different. So yeah. Enjoy your weekend and vape with the club. I'm out.